Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines designed for small spaces, the FADSK 15L and the BenchCarry 16L. In today's video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're living in an apartment, dorm, or RV, these machines promise convenience and efficiency for your laundry needs. Let's get started. The FADSK portable washing machine offers a 15-liter capacity, making it suitable for small loads of laundry. On the other hand, the BenchCarry model provides a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing users to wash more clothes in a single cycle. This small difference can be significant for those who frequently do laundry, especially in shared living spaces. When it comes to pricing, the FADSK model is priced at $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a portable washing machine. In contrast, the BenchCarry model is priced at $79.99, which may be considered slightly higher, but it offers additional features such as a quieter operation. The choice between these two may depend on your budget and specific needs. Noise level can be a critical factor, especially in shared living environments. The FADSK model does not specify its noise level, which may be a concern for some users. However, the BenchCarry model boasts a low noise level of 44 decibels, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize a quieter washing experience. This feature could be particularly beneficial for nighttime use in dorms or apartments. In conclusion, both the FADSK and BenchCarry portable washing machines offer unique advantages for small space living. The FADSK is a budget-friendly option with a compact design, while the BenchCarry provides a slightly larger capacity and quieter operation. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either of these machines could be a great addition to your laundry routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.